In this video, I'll show you how to fix speaker in laptop. First, click the volume icon on the taskbar. Make sure the volume is not muted. Increase the volume to a higher level. If the speaker is still not working, press the Windows key. Open Settings, click System. Select Sound. Scroll down and click Volume Mixer. Make sure the app you are using is not muted. If the problem continues, right-click the Start button. Select Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio driver. Select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. If no update is found, right-click the audio driver again. Select Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall. Restart your laptop. Windows will automatically reinstall the audio driver after the restart. Play a video or music file to check if the laptop speakers are working again. That's it. This is how you can fix the laptop speaker not working.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.